Within the previous tutorial, we talked about major assessment activities. Let's have a look at how we would find our due dates for those major assessment activities. We set due dates for every unit. So as opposed to setting one big due date at the end of the course, we like to stage those assessments and have them submitting on a regular basis. So let's look at how we would find where the dates are. So if I go back into my course again, and for the first unit, we have the major assessment activity, and we've got the instructions down here. As you can see, due date here, it says Friday the 30th of September. So we have obviously the time here that tells us when our due date is for this particular unit's assessment. Now if I go back up to my dashboard where there's a calendar, you'll also see that there's a highlighted 30th there, and you can see the actual major assessment comes up there as well. So those are the two areas in which you would find a unit due date. Now if you want to find out your due dates for all of your assessments for your course, what we send to you at the beginning of your course by email is a training plan. And the training plan will look something like this, and it'll have all your units listed, and it'll have the dates in which they're due, and obviously the outcome will get updated. Currently at the moment we've got in progress for this particular person's qualification at the moment. So that'll come to you at the beginning of your course. I go back into my course once again. Now with the due dates, maybe you're struggling to find time to get to complete, or maybe you just need a couple of extra days to submit. So what we have is called a request and extension form, and there are two ways to get to it. You can either click on that option there, or we can click on this option here. Now this will take you to our web page, and it'll take you to an online form. You need to go through and complete the form, putting your name, details, etc. And you pull down your qualification, and you pull down the unit. So just make sure you scroll down and find the unit. So you go through and put your revised due date. I'm going to put 21st of October, which is about 20 days longer than the actual due date. You put in your reason in here. Now this will only come up once you have scrolled through the terms and conditions and also completed the requirements above. Then you can press submit. That will come through to SafetyNet. We will review your submission and obviously then approve or request further information that will then get sent back to you just to reconfirm that your extension has been approved. So overall, requesting an extension, your due dates, and obviously you can find those in your individual unit major assessments as well.